Getting started. Tools and software for game development.
Programmers. Programmer software. Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio is an integrated development environment, IDE, created by Microsoft. Initially, the system was designed to develop computer games for Microsoft Windows as well as websites, web applications, and web services. Today, Visual Studio is used to develop beautiful applications for desktop and mobile platforms, web applications, and cloud-based services. For larger teams, Visual Studio provides version control, agile planning, and application control. Coders also have their own version of Visual Studio, which enables them to work on codes for free on popular platforms like Windows, Mac, OS X, and Linux. Visual Studio comes with a code editor that supports IntelliSense, the code completion component, as well as code refactoring. On top of that, the system also has built-in tools such as Forms Designer for building GUI applications, Web Designer, Class Designer, and Database Schema Designer. Visual Studio works on leading desktop platforms and enables businesses to develop beautiful web, games, software, and mobile applications for Android and iOS. It also supports almost all programming languages. Support for other languages such as M, Python, and Ruby, among others, is available via language services installed separately. Visual Studio can be integrated into all the major game engines such as Unreal, Unity, GameMaker, and more. Visual Studio Community is free and is a fully featured integrated development environment IDE for Android, iOS, Windows, web, and the cloud. For more advanced features, Microsoft also offers Visual Studio Professional for $45 per month and Visual Studio Enterprise for $250 a month. Android Studio. Android Studio provides the fastest tools for building apps on every type of Android device. Android Studio can create complex layouts with constraint layout. Android Studio's Code Suggestions feature allows users to create complex code fast and with minimal effort. Write better code, work faster, and be more productive with an intelligent code editor that provides code completion for Kotlin, Java, and C/C++ languages. When starting a new project, the Android Studio has a variety of templates so you don't have to code from scratch. E.g., there are default activities such as Map Activity, Sliding Tabs Activity, and many more. This cuts down the amount of time you would have used to start writing the code from scratch. Android Studio is a free open source software.